What if I told you that in 2026, you can step into brand new home with real bedrooms, a full kitchen, and modern finishes for under $85,000? Most people hear that and assume it is a scam or a trap. It is neither. Prefab homes have quietly become one of the smartest, most practical housing solutions available to everyday buyers this year, and today I am walking you through exactly what is out there, how big these homes are, and how many rooms you are actually getting for the money. If you are serious about affordable homeownership in 2026, do yourself a favor right now and hit that subscribe button. Stay until the very end of this video because I saved the most overlooked and underrated options for last, and those are the ones that could genuinely change your housing situation. What is a prefab home and why it matters in 2026? Before we get into the actual homes, let me quickly set the record straight on terminology, because a lot of people use the word prefab loosely, and it creates confusion. Prefab is short for prefabricated, meaning the home is built in a factory and then delivered to your site. This category includes manufactured homes, which are built to the federal HUD code, modular homes, which are built to local building codes in sections and assembled on site, and panelized or kit homes, which arrive as pre-cut components. For this video, we are focusing on manufactured homes and some smaller modular options, because those are the ones realistically landing under $85,000 at base price in 2026. One important thing I need you to understand before we go any further: every price I share today is a base price, meaning the cost of the home structure itself. It does not automatically include land, site preparation, foundation, utility hookups, delivery, or installation. Those additional costs vary depending on your location, your lot conditions, and whether you are placing the home in a land lease community or on private property you own. In many markets, those extras add anywhere from $15,000 to $50,000 or more on top of the base price. I am telling you this up front because I want you to walk into this process with a complete picture, not a bill shock. Champion Homes Single Section Starter. The affordable baseline Champion Homes is one of the largest manufactured home builders in the United States. And in 2026, they continue to offer single-section homes that represent some of the most accessible entry points in the market. Their starter single-section models begin at roughly $50,000 to $65,000, depending on the floor plan and finish package you select. One of their popular starter configurations measures approximately 14 feet wide by 56 feet long, giving you around 784 square feet of living space. That gets you 2 bedrooms and 1 bathroom. It is compact, but it is a fully functional home with a living area, a kitchen, a laundry hookup, and everything you need for day-to-day living. For a single person, a young couple, or someone who wants a minimal monthly payment, this is a genuinely practical option. Champion also offers slightly larger single-section plans in the 800 to 950 square foot range, with 2 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms, typically priced between $60,000 and $75,000 at base. Their construction meets HUD standards, and they offer enough exterior finish variety that the home does not have to look like the stereotypical manufactured box from 20 years ago. Fleetwood Homes Single Section Line. Stretching square footage, Fleetwood Homes is another major HUD code manufacturer with a long track record, and their single-section offerings in 2026 push the size envelope a bit further than some competitors at comparable price points. Fleetwood builds single-section homes in widths from 14 to 18 feet and lengths extending to over 72 feet in some configurations, which means you can realistically land in the 1,000 to 1,100 square foot range while staying under $85,000 at base. A representative plan in their lineup delivers around 1,056 square feet with 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms, and it prices out in the $70,000 to $80,000 range depending on optional upgrades and the dealer you work with. 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms in a brand new home built in 2026 for under $85,000 is remarkable value when you compare it to what site-built construction costs per square foot right now. Fleetwood's newer plans feature open living and kitchen layouts, which helps smaller square footage feel significantly less cramped. If you are a small family or someone planning ahead for a guest room or dedicated home office, the 3-bedroom configuration is worth looking at seriously. Clayton Homes Single Section. Customization meets affordability. Clayton Homes is the largest manufactured housing company in the country, backed by Berkshire Hathaway, and their Single Section 2026 lineup covers a wide range of floor plans from around 600 square feet up to roughly 1,200 square feet in the single section category. At the lower end of the budget, Clayton offers 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom configurations in the 600 to 750 square foot range for approximately $52,000 to $62,000 at base. These are well suited for buyers on a strict budget and for investors looking at rental placement in manufactured home communities. Moving up in their lineup, their 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom single section plans in the 950 to 1,100 square foot range are among their most requested options. These typically land between $68,000 and $82,000 at base in 2026. Clayton also offers their Home Smart Energy packages, which include upgraded insulation and more efficient HVAC systems, a relevant upgrade given that energy operating costs in 2026 make long-term efficiency a genuine financial consideration for every homeowner. One practical advantage Clayton brings to many buyers is their in-house financing through Vanderbilt Mortgage and Finance, which specializes specifically in manufactured home loans. If conventional mortgage lenders have given you difficulty qualifying for a manufactured home purchase, working with a dedicated lender that understands this product can simplify your process considerably. Legacy Housing. The fast-growing value builder, Legacy Housing Corporation, has expanded rapidly over the past several years and is particularly well represented in the South and Southeast, though their distribution has grown nationally. Their 2026 single-section offerings are competitive on price and genuinely generous on floor plan efficiency. Legacy's 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom single-section models in the 950 to 1,080 square foot range start at base prices around $65,000 in many markets, which places them at the affordable end of the 3-bedroom category. Their standard feature packages have improved noticeably in recent years, with better countertop materials, updated cabinet styles, and more contemporary exterior options compared to what manufactured housing looked like even 5 years back. Legacy also offers 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom configurations well suited for buyers who prioritize bathroom access and layout over bedroom count. These sit in the 800 to 900 square foot range and typically price between $58,000 and $70,000 at base. Cavco and the modular crossover option. Cavco Industries operates multiple brands and occupies an interesting space in the under $85,000 conversation. Some of their smaller modular or modular adjacent products, particularly in the 800 to 1,000 square foot range with 2 bedrooms and 1 or 2 bathrooms, reach buyers at base prices in the $75,000 to $84,000 range. The distinction worth understanding here is that modular construction, even at this price point, often qualifies for conventional mortgage financing more easily than HUD code manufactured homes. That is because modular homes are classified as real property in most jurisdictions once they are set on a permanent foundation, which changes how lenders categorize and underwrite the loan. If financing flexibility matters to your purchase plan, asking your builder whether their product is HUD code or modular code is a question that can directly affect your mortgage options and your long-term interest rate. Cavco's homes in this range deliver 2 bedrooms, 1 or 2 bathrooms, and functional open-concept living layouts. They are not large homes, but the modular financing pathway can open doors that HUD code manufactured home lending sometimes closes. Prefab ADU and kit set options. The most overlooked category on this list, this is the one most people skip right past. And it is also one of the most exciting developments in affordable housing right now. The Prefab ADU, which stands for Accessory Dwelling Unit, market has matured significantly by 2026. Several builders now offer factory-built structures in the 400 to 650 square foot range that function as fully standalone residences, complete with 1 bedroom, a bathroom, a kitchen, and a living area, all delivered and installed on your site. Base prices for these units in 2026 range from approximately $55,000 to $84,000, depending on the builder, configuration, and finish level. They are increasingly popular as starter homes placed on family land, as rental income units added to existing properties, and as guest houses that provide genuine full-time housing for extended family members. If you own land or have access to family land, a prefab ADU in this category could be your single most cost-effective path to a new, fully functional structure under $85,000. And in many jurisdictions, ADU permitting has become significantly more streamlined over the past few years, making the approval process faster and less expensive than it once was. Tiny home factory builds. Real value for the right buyer. The tiny home segment has matured considerably by 2026. A number of builders now offer factory-built tiny homes designed for permanent foundation placement, separate from the RV-style trailer market that fall comfortably under $85,000 at base. These are typically defined as homes under 400 square feet, though some stretch to 500 or 600 square feet and still carry the tiny home label. Single bedroom and open studio configurations in the 250 to 400 square foot range are available from regional builders for anywhere from $45,000 to $75,000 at base. These work particularly well for buyers placing them on rural land they already own, where site prep costs can be minimal and the total all-in project cost stays genuinely accessible. The honest reality about tiny homes is this: they work beautifully for the right buyer in the right situation, and they become genuinely stressful for someone who has not thought through storage, daily lifestyle adjustments, and the practicalities of compressed square footage. Go in with clear eyes, but do not dismiss this category if your lifestyle and circumstances are a real fit. What your money actually buys. In 2026, a clean summary let me pull this together clearly. At the lower end of the budget, between $50,000 and $65,000 at base, you are looking at single-section manufactured homes in the 600 to 800 square foot range with 2 bedrooms and 1 bathroom. These are honest, functional homes that work for individuals, couples, and minimalist households. In the $65,000 to $75,000 range, your options open up to 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom configurations between 800 and 950 square feet, and 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom single-section homes in the 900 to 1,000 square foot range from builders like Legacy and Champion. At the top of the budget, $75,000 to $85,000, you can access 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom manufactured homes from Fleetwood and Clayton, pushing toward 1,100 square feet, smaller modular options with better financing characteristics, prefab ADU units with full kitchen and bath functionality, and some well-built tiny home configurations in the 400 to 600 square foot range. The non-negotiables before you buy, I want to close with a few things every buyer in this price range needs to think through before spending a dollar. First, always verify zoning before you commit to a specific home or location. Not every municipality permits manufactured homes or tiny homes on every parcel of land, and finding that out after you have put down a deposit is an expensive lesson. Second, get clarity on financing early. Manufactured homes on leased land are typically financed as personal property through chattel loans, which carry higher interest rates than conventional mortgages. Manufactured homes on land you own, entitled as real property, have a better shot at conventional mortgage financing. Modular homes on permanent foundations generally qualify for conventional loans. Knowing which path you are on before you shop changes your numbers significantly. Third, factor in the true total cost. A $68,000 base price home with $30,000 in site prep, delivery, foundation, and utility connections is a $98,000 project. That can still be excellent value compared to site-built alternatives, but it is a very different number than $68,000. Plan for the complete picture from the beginning. Prefab housing in 2026 is not a compromise. It is a strategic decision for buyers willing to do their homework, understand the financing landscape, and choose a reputable builder. These homes deliver genuine quality, real living space, and a pathway to ownership that the site-built market simply cannot offer at these price points right now. If this video gave you a clearer picture of what is actually possible on a real budget, please give it a thumbs up, because that genuinely helps this channel reach more people who need this information. Subscribe if you have not already, drop your questions in the comments below, and check out the other videos on this channel where we go deep on affordable housing options, house plans, and construction costs. I will see you in the next one.